Okay, YouTube. I said I would get back at you on this front derailleur removal and install onto this fat bike, Dynamite fat bike. I got it to work, but like I said, by no means is this what I'm gonna let stay on there. It's just what I have for right now until I can get what I ordered in, which is I ordered a direct mount adapter. Actually, I'm going to order two so I can have an extra piece to extend it out a little more, because I think it's going to need to be extended a little more than the regular one would do. And I ordered a direct mount Shimano derailleur also, and it's going to be a pull like this one. It's going to be a pull from here instead of a pull. You know, most of them be up here and it has a cable coming down to it. It's going to be a pull from here. I like that style better. So I ordered that, but this does work. If I can get, let's see, put my kickstand up. As you can see, I'm in the lowest gear. And I'm gonna shift it over. Takes me up one. Shift it again. And that takes me up to the highest gear. So it shifts fine. Right now I'm holding this with my hand doing this, but I should have the camera set up. But yeah, as you can see, and of course, shift down. All the way down to the lowest gear. All the way down to the lowest gear. Now I have found, let me stop this. I have found that at the lowest gear and the highest, I don't know if that's gonna be lowest setting, but the highest, the biggest ring on the crankset up front and the lowest gear in the back, the chain is even. Now, if I go to the highest gear, then we have a little bit of an issue. Now I'm at the highest gear. And you can see, let me stop that. It's at an angle. I mean, I've ridden it around the block a few times, but it's at a real angle. See how that's pulling away from the sprocket over there? Yeah, so it's a real angle. This could be over like, you know, a couple millimeters. See how much space I have in between that tire? Yeah, it could be over a lot more. And I was thinking that would make my derailleur that I'm about to order would be in the right spot. So I'm thinking about ordering another crank arm. I don't know how I'm gonna try to look it up and see how you can know the sizes on these cranksets up front. But I need my crankset to set back a little bit so that it'll be even when I'm in the highest gear or the biggest ring. I don't know the nomenclature for that, but when I drop it down, see, when I'm in that, then it's even. It's straight across. It's even then. But it could set back a little more because I had space in between this tire. It could set back just a little more. I don't know. Y'all comment, let me know. I'm not a professional at this. I'm just doing it. I don't know if I should order another crankset while I'm at it. But I know I'm going to order a direct mount front derailleur and the direct mount adapter, which has a little space in it. It's a little space in it, but I don't know if it's going to be enough to reach here. If not, I can make a spacer. I can make one out of a piece of metal and put in there, and just have the screw go all the way through and tighten the derailleur and it down at the same time. But yeah, but for right now, I think that works. I'm gonna ride it this weekend and see how it does. All right, that's my video.